In this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your gacha character in Ibis Paint X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily import and edit your very own gacha character in Ibis Paint X. To start, download the latest version of the app from the Play Store or the App Store, and you will have to load your gacha character. You can take screenshots inside of the game, and you can even make it so you only display specific body parts. So if you would like, you can display only specific parts of the body, allowing you to take individual screenshots. So you could take one screenshot of the shoulder, one screenshot of the head, one screenshot of the thigh, and this can be useful if you want to load all of them and sort of pose your own character in any way. Alternatively, just enable all of them and save a screenshot of your character. Now go back inside of Ibis Paint X, and when you create a new project, all that you have to do is tap this icon at the top right corner of the screen. By tapping on this icon, you can browse through all of the media in your device, including screenshots and pictures that you've downloaded. So if you took a screenshot of your gacha character, it is going to be available here. You can load it inside of Ibis Paint X. Alternatively, if you downloaded it as a template or you looked up pictures online, it's most likely going to be under the downloads folder. So just find the specific picture on your device's storage and load it in. Once you load your gacha character into Ibis Paint X, you can change the scale, change the position, the perspective, the mesh, and you can use all sorts of tools to edit it. So you can get the brush, you can draw on top of your gacha character, you can change specific features, and so on. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.